Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well and having a good time with your family and friends. So this video is our next part of drawing the hair of BTS Jin. And in the last videos, if you are following me, you might have learned about shading the face, eyes, nose, and if you did not, then you can check out my description where I have provided the links of outlining the face and method of drawing the eyes, nose, lips, and shading the face step by step. So this video is another part of those videos, in continuation to which I am going to talk about how to draw the hair, how to shade the hair and draw the hair. So let's get started. So now I will be drawing the eyebrows, which I left in the last video. So I have formed the base by using an HB pencil. I'm darkening them by using an 8B pencil, you can see. So I will be sharing a separate tutorial about how to draw the eyebrows. This video is about drawing the hair. So let's get started. So at first, what I usually do while drawing the hair is I draw the hair by using a light pencil. So I'm using an HB pencil here so that I will draw the complete structure of the hair by using an HB pencil. As you can see, as we often do while drawing anything, before drawing it, we draw it roughly by using a light pencil or by giving a light pressure. So I will be drawing by using an HB pencil. From my reference about the structure of the hair, it's nothing but the straight lines. You can see that I'm using a light pencil. You can use another pencil too if you have lighter than HB or a mechanical pencil before using a darker pencil, but I recommend you to use the lightest pencil which is available to you in order to save your portrait from damaging, because I know that we make a lot of mistakes while drawing. So after forming the rough sketch, so I am drawing it on the left side, and I'm roughly drawing the structure of the hair first, and you can see the hair on the forehead too. So that's what I'm drawing on the forehead. And now I will be using a a smooth brush to blend this first layer. So I'm using a smooth brush. You can use a tissue paper too if you don't have a brush. Now I'm using a 10B pencil, means a darker pencil available with me. You can use an 8B or 9B pencil too, but it must be a darker. So what I will do while drawing the hair is I will start to darken the area from the bottom. So you can see I am darkening or using a dark pencil at the bottom of the hair instead at the top place. So, and one thing I want to tell you that I don't have a mechanical eraser, so I would bring a little another effect to the hair, because I will not be rubbing near the head because light is falling, but I don't have an eraser to give that effect. So after that I will use a 4B pencil, which is a mild lighter than the 8B pencil, in order to draw the other part of the hair, that is from the upper part. So you can see I'm using a lighter pencil. So I will try to provide the strokes by using a little darker pencil, that is a 4B I'm using here. And one thing I would like to share in this video is that whenever you draw the hair, you can keep one thing in mind, that the hair are darker at the upper part, means from the top they are darker, and from below they are darker, but in the middle, what we often called as mid-tones, they are lighter. So you can give a realistic effect too if you darken from the upper part and from the lower part. So here, as the light is falling, I won't dark it at the upper part, but I will try to darken the hair from the bottom and the hair falling on the forehead. I will use a little sharper nib or sharper tip of the pencil to draw those hair, because those hair should be thin. And I'm going to the other part of the head, and this is the next method, or the other method you can also use while drawing the hair, is that you can use the two types of pencil. The one is a darker pencil, as I'm using a 10B pencil to draw. So at first what you are going to do is you will use a darker pencil to draw the darker parts of the hair. So what I am doing here is using the darker pencil in order to darken, and then I will use a lighter pencil, that is a HB, in order to blend the both shades of the hair. So I first used a 10B pencil, and then I'm using an HB pencil to mix the two different types of shades of the hair. And you have to observe very keenly, or by keeping one thing in mind while drawing the hair, is you have to see that where the shadow of the hair might fall. So as at the middle part of the hair, you can see the shadow will fall, obviously it will fall below the hair, so we should darken the area where the shadow would fall. So as I earlier said, that the other part, the left part of the face where the shadow is falling, so we will darken the hair at this side. And now I am forming the base by using an HB pencil, as I done on the other part too. After forming the base, I will blend it using a soft brush, and then I will look at the reference again to find out the darker values. So as I said that the hair are darker at the bottom and at the top, so that's what I will do by using a 10B pencil. I will dark at the top of the hair, or sorry, the top of the head. I will darken by using an 8 and 10B pencil. So you can see that every part of the hair there is a shadow. So where the shadow is falling, that area must be darkened, and every portion of the hair, it will have three tones, that is the darker tone and the middle tone. That is, at the top and the bottom you have to use a darker pencil, that you can see now I'm doing the same thing. And in the middle I will use a lighter pencil, and in order to give the strokes of the hair, I sometimes use a mechanical pencil, so that the hair would look cleaner than before. So I am darkening the bottom part of the hair again by using a 10B pencil. So sometimes it becomes very hard for us to analyze how to draw the hair, because there would be a different tones where it becomes really confusing in order to understand. So I would suggest you to do this when you don't understand the tones of the hair. So you can see in the middle I am darkening because of the light effects I wanted to give. I will darken at three places in this side: at the topper level, at the lowest level, and at the middle level, in order to show the separation and realistic effect. And after I form this layer by using a darker pencil, I will blend it by using a soft brush. And you can see that we are And at the end, yeah, I was talking about if it becomes really confusing to you to understand how to draw hair, you can do one thing, that you can darken it at the top level, top of the hair, and also at the bottom, and use a mid tone pencil like a 4B and 3B in order to draw at the middle part. So if you do so, the hair would look realistic too. And in order to talk specially about the hair, I will be coming up with the new video about the hair. And here, the hair falling on the forehead, I have used a sharper tip. So thank you guys for tuning in again, and thanks. If you like the process and my channel, you can subscribe it and like.